Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this first video of C. So let's move on our agenda, what we will see in this today's videos. So in today's video we will learn introduction about C, basic structure of C, and first program and data type. And by the time if we will have time, then we will also learn addition subtraction also. So let's move on introduction. So this is the introduction. So let me tell you, C language is a machine independent programming language that is mainly used to create many kind of applications and operating systems such as Windows and other complicated programs such as Oracle's database, so etc. So this is all about the introduction. I hope you got the point. So let's move on the basic structure of C. So how you will start the coding, and what are the prerequisite and what are the format of C language that you have follow in all the programs. So the basic structure is look like this. Hatch include stdio.h, void main, small brackets, and in other line you have to write curly bracket, and under the curly bracket you have to give instructions, and according to your instructions the compiler will understand your language, that what you are saying, and it will respond accordingly your instructions. And after giving the instructions you have to write return 0. And let me tell you, if you will not write this return 0 on any website of C compiler, then it will be okay, it will not create any kind of issue for you. And again you have to use curly bracket. So this is all about your format of C language. You have to use it in all languages. This is compulsory for all programs. So let's move on our first program to print hello world. So if you want to print hello world, then you have to follow your format. So first of all we will write hatch include stdio.h and void main, small bracket, and curly bracket, and under the curly bracket you have to write printf, and in printf you have to write the small brackets, and under two small brackets you have to write the inverted commas, and under the inverted commas you have to write what you want to print. So I want to print hello world, so I will write here hello world. And again you have, after writing this hello world, you have to put one semicolon at the last in every line. So every instruction ends in a single line and start from other line. So if we don't have other instructions, so we will just move on return 0. Either there is no use of return 0 in simple website of C compiler. If you will use VS code editor, then you have to use return 0, otherwise there is no need. And again in next line you have to use curly bracket. Okay, so this is all about the program of hello world. If we are going to is compile this on a online C compiler, so let's move on to our website of online C compiler. We are here. So let me tell you, if any kind of sentence you are writing on C compiler, and before that sentence if you are using forward slash simultaneously, then that line will be automatically swipe out. That compiler will not consider that line. So let's move on our second line. There is hatch include stdio.h and int main, and in curly bracket there is written printf and hello world and return 0. So let's run this program. So don't mind this is written right C code here. So it is before this sentence there is used of two forward slash. So that means this line doesn't mean, it is only here to tell you that the concept. So let me to run this code. So here you see I have run this code and it prints hello world, so that means our program is fully correct. So in next video we will learn the more things like addition, subtraction, data types and many more things. Till then keep learning and keep coding.